This is a 2022 Cimarron 2-horse straight load bumper pull with a side ramp. This particular trailer is sold. I am going to reorder. It came in yesterday and sold yesterday, but I'll go ahead and get it reordered. So I wanted to show you how gorgeous it is. I wish the sun was shining today so you can see just how beautiful this silver color is. It is very, very impressive. I saw it in Oklahoma last year and fell in love with that silver, and I've been trying to get one here ever since. So here it is, and then it will turn around and leave. But this is a gorgeous brand new 2022 silver Cimarron bumper pull with a side ramp. Has all the great Cimarron features: the insulated fiberglass roof throughout the trailer, insulated walls in the horse area, beautiful extruded aluminum siding, always a Westlake nitrogen filled tire on aluminum wheel. Great side ramp with plenty of room to get your horses out of there. Got a nice bar here. Actually, sorry, I'm doing everything left-handed. Slides up and down on this track to get that bar out of the way for you. Got two pop-up roof vents here at the horse heads, LED interior lights, of course LED load lights, and LED running lights. We've got two fans in here already. Padded breast and butt bars, padded divider. That divider is removable. We've got bars on that divider, the head and the body part, for exceptional airflow in this trailer. Everything latches into high density plastic, or has a high density plastic on it. Your head dividers, your dividers. Keeps things nice and quiet in here. We've got an aluminum floor with rubber mats. The Cimarron is an all aluminum trailer, aluminum frame, aluminum skin, aluminum floor, but it does have that nice insulated fiberglass roof material. We've got a window here between our horse area and our dressing room. You've got a bar over your escape door so that you can use this trailer as an open box stall if you like. I'll show you on the outside, it also has a paddle latch so that if you are using it as an open box stall, your horse cannot open that door from the inside. Nice rear ramp here with top doors. Those top doors have windows to keep the air flowing. Again, LED load lights, running lights, interior lights. You've got switches on the back of the trailer that are going to operate everything: your load light, your fans, your interior lights. Again, the Cimarron is an insulated wall in the horse area and that fiberglass insulated roof. Kind of coming up on this hot summer, that is going to be extremely beneficial. Got a full-length running board on the Cimarron trailer. Here, our drop-down window has our escape door has a drop-down window, so you can slide or drop that window if you like. There's that paddle latch I was telling you about, so your horses cannot open that door from inside. So if you're using this trailer as a box stall, they are securely latched inside of that trailer. I'll show you this drop down. Great drop down. You can travel that way if you like to. Your horses are going to get so much airflow through that door. Show you the dressing room, and then I'll close it up and we'll look at the outside. Yesterday the sun was shining and it was so beautiful. So we put a flip down step here on our dressing room door, or at our dressing room door. I'll show you that in a second. Makes it easier to step up in there. We've got two saddle racks, two blanket poles, windows in the nose. One of course is in the door and one there on the opposite side of the nose. There's that window between the horse area and the dressing room. Spare tire mounted in here. We put rubber mats on our floor. We got a little water in here cleaning it up. Then we've got carpet behind the bridle hooks. Lots of bridle hooks in this bumper pull, and carpet behind each of those so they don't scrape up your wall. You've got an interior light here, or switch for your interior LED dressing room light. Brush box on the door. Cimarron built all their doors in-house, so this dressing room door and the escape door They're all super heavy. They all have an 8-inch frame here built throughout the entire door. So that is a really nice, really heavy made door. Here's that flip up step. Just folds up right out of the way for traveling. Bear with me while I put these ramps up with my one hand and video with the other. Just want to give you a good broad view of this gorgeous silver here on this trailer. Cimarron is 6'10" wide. This trailer is 6'10" wide. This trailer is either 7'7" tall, maybe 7'10" tall. You'd have to double check my specs on my website for that. It's either 7'7" or 7'10", I can't recall. Either way, it is a large trailer. It's nice and wide. The stalls are extra long. I have a drawing of that that I'm happy to send out, but the stalls in this trailer are, memory serves me, even over 11 feet because of that headroom. So they are going to accommodate your largest horses in this trailer. Bear with me just one second, friends. Oops. I'll finish getting it shut up so we can see that beautiful skin all the way around. Cimarron makes an exceptional quality trailer. They do think of all the details. One thing I probably didn't show you in the dressing room was the clothing bar on the ceiling. All that comes standard on the Cimarron. So again, it's a 2022 2-horse bumper pull with a side ramp Cimarron. Again, this particular trailer today on June the 10th is sold, but we are reordering another one exactly like it. So I wanted to make sure you could see exactly what that was going to look like when it comes in. This model was available at Trailer Country LLC in Carrollton, Virginia. We have nationwide delivery options, and we'd love to help you. Visit us at trailercountryllc.com.